I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money using Telcel, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telcel app. Launch the Telcel app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Money Transfer section. Once you're in the app, find the section labeled Money Transfer or Send Money. This is usually located in the main menu. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's phone number or select them from your contacts. Double check that you have the correct number to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Step 4. Specify the amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the details, then hit the send button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. Now you're all set to send money easily with Telcel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.